Welcome to Smart Study for Career. In this video, I will teach you top 10 general knowledge MCQ based on capital of country. Question. What is the capital city of Azerbaijan? Answer is Baku. Question. What is the capital city of Bahamas? Answer is Nassau. Question. What is the capital city of Bahrain? Answer is Manama. Question. What is the capital city of Bangladesh? Answer is Dhaka. Question. What is the capital city of Barbados? Answer is Bridgetown. Question. What is the capital city of Belarus? Answer is Minsk. Question. What is the capital city of Bolivia? Answer is Sucre. Question. What is the capital city of Belize? Answer is Belmopan. Question. What is the capital city of Bosnia and Herzegovina? Answer is Sarajevo. Question. What is the capital city of Benin? Answer is Porto Novo. Thanks for watching full video. Don't forget to subscribe. Also like and share please.